Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you industrial wall fan. This is black. Let's go ahead and open it. Here's the fan. And these are other stuff. And here is the motor side. Instruction manual. Oh, check this out. We're just going to go ahead and unlock these. That's it, 2 pieces. Here's the base. Screw pad. There you go. Next thing is I'm going to go ahead and put this right over here and use the same screws. Go ahead and loosen this and then find the area right there. The screw is going to go right over here. Then I will go ahead and screw it. Now we're good to go. We're just going to lock it. Do the same thing for the other one. Now we're good to go. Let's check the back sides. One is for swing, the other one is for speed. We're just going to go ahead and unscrew this. Let's place it right over here. And then put the screw back and washer and close it. Next, you're going to go ahead and screw these and it's going to be stable like that. I'm going to go ahead and install this on the wall and put this over there. Instead of putting on the wall, I'm just going to go ahead and screw them over here. I just screw them over here like this instead of putting it on the wall. I'm going to go ahead and insert it there and test it out. Let's go ahead and put them right there. Make sure you're unscrewing these, not to block it. Alrighty, now we're good to go. Now we're good to go. Oh, check this out. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out now. I connected the power cable. And we can go ahead and test it. This is swing, right or left. This is speed. Let's see. If you wanted to swing, go ahead and pull. Perfect. It is very powerful. How about speed 2? And speed 3. Oh my god. Then turn off. If you want to go up and down, here is the area. Go ahead and unscrew this area. And then you can go ahead and adjust it however you like, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and screw it right there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Perfect. If you want the swing stop, go ahead and pull this. It says swing and it is speed. Mid series cooling power. This 30-inch industrial fan delivers strong airflow for large spaces. I'm using it in my garage. Perfect for garages, workshops, warehouses, and patios. 3 speed settings let you control the airflow easily. And you can swing or change the speed over here. Wide oscillation spreads cool air across the room. Heavy duty metal design is built to last. Powerful, durable, and made for tough environments.